Skibidi boppity bee skip boo.
Heads up, unboxing amateurs out there. Now I'm about to show you what you can really do with unboxing skills, which only a professional expert would have, okay? Not those amateur think you know what you're doing, got a pair of scissors. Fuck you, that's what I gotta say to that. Vulgarity, fuck, shit, fuck us. How's that joke? Yeah, that was a good one. So, after watching, I almost fell, the last video about how our videos suck, I decided to take matters into my own hands and show the extreme power of an unboxing expert. Now, you ready to see what I did last night at 2 o'clock in the morning because I didn't get home and I just saw the video? It took me 5 minutes. You ready to see it? Shazam. I just beat, excuse me, the sun. Mr. Sun, get the suck one. I beat the shit out of that tree. As you can see right about in the epicenter, I used the fisting method that caused most of the local brush to fall into a shinsatao pattern. That's a word probably. And then the remaining logs I used the key method on. Just a little, you know. I can't start my car now, but fuck it, fuck us. So if you think our videos suck, I think you should just look at the power of what we can do, okay? Vulgarity check. Shit, fuck, piss, ass. Poo-poo, titties. Shit, fuck. Also, I was so, you know, maybe an amateur who's been practicing for a couple hours could take off some of these limbs. Maybe a few days would take the logs out, but they'd beat the shit out of that house, wouldn't they? No, precision. That's my word of the day. If you're not precise, fuck you. Shinsatao pattern, that's a word.